everyone, it's 4:30 a.m. I am dressed, our bags are packed, we are going to the airport, and today we are going to Port Elizabeth, South Africa. I am excited. I haven't seen my cousins in 4 or 5 years. I don't even know how we're going to react to one another. My cousins' names are Luke and Anthony, by the way, 2 boys. Look at this jacket.
Check-in line was crazy. Over 1 hour. Not 1 hour, I'm saying the check-in line was crazy, right? Okay, quick, because the flight to Johannesburg is actually boarding right now.
Oh my god, we almost missed our flight, but we're in the plane now.
We had to make a run for it, huh?
Yeah.
How did you feel about running?
Good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Did you panic?
The plane was left.
The plane was left, I know, right?
Yeah. Imagine they forget us.
They will not forget you.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna.
We've commenced our descent into Johannesburg.
But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up. That's big by mine. Oh.
Okay, guys, we're in Johannesburg Airport until our next flight.
We are now gonna check in for Port Elizabeth.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
now going to the big board.